In this video, we are going to discuss about deepfake technology. Who am I? My name is Hamna Jatt. So let's get into it. The first thing that I would like to describe is what is deepfake technology. Deepfake are synthetic media in which a person in an existing image or video is replaced by someone else's likeness. It's a term used to describe a type of artificial intelligence technology that can be used to create realistic fake videos or images. The term deepfake is a combination of deep learning and fake. It's a technology that has raised concerns about its potential for spreading misinformation, creating fake news, and manipulating public opinion. Deepfake technology continues to evolve, and while it has some legitimate applications such as in the film industry for special effects, it also poses significant challenges in terms of media manipulation and trustworthiness. In its history, photo manipulation was developed in the 19th century and soon applied to motion pictures. Technology steadily improved during the 20th century and more quickly with the advent of digital video. Deepfake technology has been developed by researchers at academic institutions beginning in the 1990s and later by amateurs in online communities. More recently, the methods have been adopted by industry. In recent times, deepfake technology has been used to impersonate notable personalities like former US President Barack Obama and Donald Trump, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, etc. How it works? Deepfakes are created by training a machine learning model on large amounts of data such as photos or videos of a person's face or voice. The model then learns to generate realistic media of the person even though the media may be entirely fabricated. In the given figure, we can observe the accuracy of deepfake technology. Aims and objectives. The aim of deepfake technology is to create realistic digital content that can be used for various purposes including entertainment, education, and etc. Objectives include entertainment. Deepfakes can be used to create realistic special effects in movies, TV shows, and video games, education, etc. Deepfakes can be used to create realistic simulations for training purposes such as medical procedures or military exercises, social media content. These can be used to create humorous or satirical videos for social media platforms. Advantages of deepfake technology. We have low-cost video comparisons. Marketers using deepfakes can save money on the budgets for their video comparisons because you don't need an in-person actor. We have professional training. Deepfake technology can be used to create AI avatars for use in training videos. Startups like London-based Synthesis have been getting more attention from the corporate world during the COVID pandemic since lockdowns and health concerns have made video shoots involving real people more difficult to pull off. We have art. You can bring back a dissident actor or actress in many movies to make a digital creation of a dead person. It is used. In financial saving, others point out that generative technology could potentially democratize a number of industries by allowing the cheap creation of everything from videos to advertisement and games. Generative technology could allow individuals and companies to enter these fields with less investment. We have some disadvantages. The first one is sock puppets. Deepfake photographs can be used to create sock puppets, non-existent persons who are active both online and in traditional media. Second one is politics are scamming. Deepfakes have been used to misrepresent well-known politicians in videos to scam people. In lack of authenticity, using deepfakes in marketing campaigns could make it seem like you are not being authentic. In blackmail, deepfakes can be used to generate blackmail materials that falsely incriminate a victim. It is possible to repurpose commodity cryptocurrency mining hardware with a small software program to generate this blackmail content for any number of subjects in huge quantities, driving up the supply of fake blackmail content limitlessly and in highly scalable fashion. So we have some real-time examples for usage of deepfake technology. The first one is Captain America, Civil War, Robert Downey, Jr. Second one is Avengers Endgame, Michael Douglas, John Slater. Third one is James Puneet Rajkumar. Fourth one is Fast and Furious 7, Paul Walker. And the fifth one is US President Companions, Mr. Barack Obama. In conclusion, deepfakes have the potential to be used for good or bad, and it's up to us to determine how we can use this technology. We must be aware of its potential benefits and drawbacks and take steps to regulate its use to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. At the same time, we must continue to invest in technology that can detect deepfakes and prevent them from spreading false information or causing harm.